You know, it's always shocked me, the agents that aren't making money in today's marketplace. I mean, there's no question the economy's stronger than it's ever been, and they want to make excuses for themselves. They don't realize that every single home is going to sell, with or without them. It's going to sell in a matter of a few days. You've got to get out there and know what to do and say. And ultimately, it comes down to knowing what needs to be done every day to get those people to work with you. The buyers that are out there, the sellers that are out there, they're going to work with someone, and it's generally by happenstance. So you've got to have an effective marketing campaign and an offer to get them to choose you. There's no question those things are going to sell quickly. The buyers are going to buy quickly, but you've got to be involved in it. Most agents are fighting with obscurity, meaning nobody knows who they are. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. Hopefully you found it incredibly helpful. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click the subscribe link so you can get notice of new videos as we get them loaded. Additionally, you'll want to check out the description of this video for some additional links that'll help you with growing your business.